Hi, welcome back to All About the Alternative. I'm the Gadget Lady. You haven't seen a video for a little bit, and I do apologize for that. We have a little bit of a different setup right now. I have a new screen, a new background, and so this will be my background for a little bit. Maybe that might change color or something like that. But so actually I'm at my trailer in our campground, and so we're going to spend some time up here, and I have a new job that or a new contract job that I'm able to do from here. So I will be going to that job during the day, coming home at my trailer and enjoying the time here. So that's going to be really fun. But I've also had to sort of arrange things so I could set up my videos and be able to do that. And so this is going to be from here, and hopefully you can give me a like and a subscribe and join me for my next few videos. I've got some gadgets to go over that will be some interesting things as well. Prime Day, of course, I did a little bit of shopping on Prime Day and got myself a new microphone. So I'm going to do a gadget review on that as soon as I'm ready to do that. And hopefully you can see what I've accomplished a little bit here with setup. So hopefully it's going to be basically I'm going to do my videos. If I have anything to show picture-wise, it might be in this side here. I don't know if it'll be on, well, it'll be on one side or the other, and so you'll see that. And so we're just going to do something a little different for a bit, and if you've got any suggestions below, you can put in the comments, and you can let me know what you're thinking of it. If there's something gadget or something about the trailer perhaps you'd like to know, or information that we can go over, that'd be great. I can help out with things as well. And I will be starting up doing all that, the game as well, very shortly. I've got that all sorted out. And so we're going to do that. And so look forward to my next few videos, and I will see you on the next one. Have a great day, everybody. Miracles happen every day.